Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to file tax return for LLC only way. Start by identifying your LLC type and gathering EIN, income, expenses, and capital records. Next, choose the correct federal form like Schedule C for single member, Form 1065 for multi-member, or Form 1120S after submitting Form 2553 for S election. Finally, prepare state filings, apply any credits, and reconcile withholding or estimated tax payments. Collect all income records, invoices, and receipts for the year and separate personal from business expenses. Complete Schedule C to report profit or loss. Then calculate self-employment tax on Schedule SE and include it with your Form 1040. File online or by mail, pay any tax due or set up payments, and retain organized records in case of audit or future tax planning needs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick darn tough socks for lasting comfort, a lifetime warranty, and fewer distractions during long bookkeeping sessions. I use them when I crunch numbers, and they actually make paperwork less painful. Look in the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Prepare partnership accounting, allocate income and deductions properly, and file Form 1065 by the due date while issuing K-1s to each member. If electing S Corporation, submit Form 2553 timely, and then file Form 1120S with K-1s. Ensure guaranteed payments and distributions are recorded, update member basis for tax effects, and consult a tax pro for complex allocations or state filing differences to avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.